I'm seeing what I can find Lower East Side today. I don't really like Lower East Side much. I never did. I don't come over here often. This is Essex and Stanton. An abandoned and derelict, decrepit payphone pedestal. Somebody left one of these things, whatever you call this. I have like 3 of these in my desk drawer. I distinctly thought this one was gone. The red phone. I know I photographed this one. I don't remember ever getting video of it. I also don't know if this paint job was sanctioned or just done. But if it was sanctioned, that might explain why it's still here. NDT, of course. Big surprise, right? Bottle of I don't know what. I mean, I can't read that from here. It'll be legible to me when I play this back. FTP in this context is not a reference to file transfer protocol. This is Delancey at Ludlow, by the way. Like I said, I would have bet cash money this thing was gone. This one is at Houston and 2nd Avenue. My friend Jordan told me about this one. This one really blends into the woodwork, doesn't it? Very hard to see this one. Unless you have payphone Tourette's like some of us do. This was probably Verizon. By the way, I did make good on my intent to rattle the cage at PTS to see if they're going to activate 988 on their payphones. As of now, it doesn't appear a single one of them is programmed to do that. I wouldn't know if you can do that remotely or if they have to go to every single one and do it on site, but my contact there said he'd let me know, so something positive could be coming of that. My friend who owns the Doomsday payphone, like we're friends and everything, but I don't get up into his business about that kind of stuff. Do it at PTS is a little more accommodating. But I don't know if it's legally required, the public telephones. I'd have to see the legislation. Whatever the case, you're not dialing 988 or anything else from this sucker. And I'm gonna head home because that looks like some hellacious rain is coming in. And I didn't remember until I got into this station, Broadway, Delancey, that there's this old, oh look, $1 bill. My lucky day. Yeah, this old PTS is moldering away. I used to use this one because there'd be subway musicians performing downstairs, and the music wafted up here, and it was a pretty good receptacle. Had pretty decent sound quality. But I only discovered this one fairly late in the game, before they pulled the plug on it, before I could use it much. So let's see if 777-9600 is on my website.